Play pi barang impian sebagai pitch ketuk kubor mentara janmit cuan paji kubor kibabnya ni pecuai kemat kibakongsan. Isim mentang Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma baru sembut Menteri Rangba ubah senyap halang dhar hak jengilang penkup buram kebalong hak lihat. Penting kena ke Menteri Kekot Kekhia Kekong Amperin Lengdok ba Amsyamdan Kanu ba Amsyamdan kejinglek baklah hak Das Hospital. Lapan bet ban penkendria iki samla ki populih Manipur ong Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma. Batrai ke PDF ban net penyesok no Syakaseng NPP. Ki kubor ki bamnya Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma baru sembut Menteri Rangba ubah senyau bahalang dhar kelesem bentah ke jingilang penkup buram hene kesengi halor ki jingsim khia ke sorkar ban wan rai kerukam ti doyong kat kum kejuk mentah ya ke jing yalang lapen long hak riat ban lek kemen halor ke jing job jong ke sorkar MDA ban pen ki embyang ya ke jing ti doyong hadin chief host nam da ke bawan rai kerukam ti doyong ke bajanai ke ban ne bat ke ban lat na ke jing ma haba ajing kren hak te ke jing yalang Menteri Rangba Kejelau lapen kemau halor ke jing syak khanglat hak NGT banti doyong hak Kejelau bat kumnu ki patba kele kenduk jing haduk naduk kerukam im ke jongki kiwei ki baliadan lang hak ni kesengi kilong uskritri jong ke mining and geology ba I Karmalki hak baliadan lang ru ke Kong Santa Mary Shela MLA ke Sutengah Deputy Commissioner ke East Gentle Hills District Abilash Baranwal ba Dapman Shela project proponent bat kiwei ha nongston ya kini kejuk ke program lapan long ha kesengi balang.
The government of India and the coal ministry will be able to allow the mining in a scientific manner and give the mining lease to the landholders.
So hence I would first of all like to thank the government of India, especially the coal minister, who has been somebody who has supported us all the way to ensure that we are able to open up the coal mining and start the coal mining in a sustainable and scientific manner in the state. So at the same time, in the future, more miners will be applying for the mining lease, and similarly as the process was there for the current 4 miners, the similar process will be followed for the other miners who have applied.
Ka Menteri Badai Kemi ya kekot kekhia Kejelau ke Kong Amperin Lengdok hak sengi palai kalau ong bak jingyap iklung ibelakha da kawai kalong kemi hak Das Hospital ha ke bau ternia ubalak dia ulah sakut hak met jongka kam dei na kejing le bakla hak kejing sisa kam syam ladon kano kejing le bakla syam ladon kejing bakla hak kaliang ki doktor lan ki nurse laong ke Kong Lengdok ha ke bedai bat kejing dawa ban siu by Lutsan kalau ong bahlor kini ke benta anla ban penulong lada kedon kejing le bakla da ke kenhon kinang sumar cu-cu ke Kong Amperin kalau ong ba kejing tokit halor kini ke benta la penlong da ketnak ke kot kekhia lada amdan jinghun halor kini ke benta ke sorkar kan sa bishar punya hakiwai pat ki benta.
Ganesh Das will perform better if we had additional medical infrastructure facilities. Mother was saved. Situation is well understood by the medical practitioners. Child did not cry as soon as the child was born, and unfortunately resuscitation happened, but child still had a lot of problems, and I look forward that situations like this should not happen, and we are going to be improving our facilities to ensure that these errors, if at all an error occurred, does not happen.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma ke sengi palai ulai thu lapan bej ban penkendria ya palat ars pangut kisam la pulih na Kejelau ke bang pulih Manipur hadin bakalami kejing yaki ha kejing lang ke belai syong kerki na ke benta banyatai sani bat ki he officer Menteri Rangba ulaang bak sorkar ke lapan bej halor kete kejing long jingman Manipur Yaki samla pule an penkria hagapor kebalengkot bat kejing pembet kumno ban penkria yaki kamtam lengba kaling suin. Kawai pat kebenta kalong bantau yo helpline number uban trekam baro apsokanta ula benrap. Ki ofisar ke sorkar jela kelayo ru ban yakren bat kibor penyat na Manipur bat ulakan turu yaki samla pule bakim day ban snouting.
That they can come back safely. We're making arrangements in terms of different transportation. The recent incidents that have been taking place in the state of Manipur have been very disturbing, and at this point in time I would urge to all the citizens of Manipur state, all our brothers and sisters there, that we should maintain peace and harmony out there, and we should not go into any violent activities. I would like to appeal for peace, and I would like to urge that whatever the complications may be there, we should try and resolve those matters in an amicable manner.
Menteri Ketenat Tourism ubak polong dol ang bakinong di madan ke beladap an perung kerteng kitu ke babur renti yaki kendon an jong kejaka kinyo jaka thamai lada ki menjur yak rukom terekam bagi kendon an ha kejela bat ke projek ban penlong yak kendai lat kum kejaka ya pajba kan sedang haubna jelew ha bakren bat kinong pathai kubor ubak pol ulo ang bakinong di jingde ke beladap ban perung kerteng an sapen kriya no yaki syaki jaka bakmi da sorkar kum kamuda kayo polo bat ki jaka penyang kali hayaudo ha bakali syapang ki jing bam kwa kinong de madan bat penkriya bat kumno ka sorkar kan yakren penbet bat ki uba pol ulang pakaan kan le yala ka benta bat omdan manu mono bala ban long hajrong yaka kin ha ban menjur kat kum kaan namar ki surok ha kanong ba kim de ki jong ka kenhon ni ki riu shimet ki breu ki ba kham ta bha ki de ki nong le nong wan.
In conformity with whatever laws are in place, they will be suitably rehabilitated. In order to encourage them and also to encourage good health, we will have to declare, and we have decided to declare Kandailat as a pedestrian zone to encourage people to walk around, enjoy good music.
Kiriunge jangkanyam Buddhis mentagasngi kelaraki kejingle nyam Buddha Purnima ha Buddha temple kebadan Apollo Shillong ha kaba halum paring ru kiladon Shibon kiriunge kibelawan menyimbentan ha kaban terwa ya kengu kedam ha keporman step la penlong kejing duai na kebenta kasuk kesan ha kepertei daki monk kalek nyam Buddha Purnima kebala jutip ru kum ka Vesak lani ke Buddha Jayanti kedai kesngi ke bakong santam ha ka almanak jong ki Buddhis nabala ken mau burom yak lengko sngi kha kajing syai bat ke lengko sngiap jong blai Buddha ka presiden keri ke Draupadi Murmu ha ka kerwa jong ka kala ai ku blai ki riungai Buddhis ha ka ni ke sngi kerpang jong ki na ai ku blai ru ya baro ki riungai ki bala rakhe ya kalek nyam Buddha Purnima ha keleng ke perthai. Kajing lang jong keseng People's Democratic Front hene kesngi kelarai bat penyeso lang bat ke NPP. Haba keren berkilat pathai kubor presiden ke PDF ba Gavin Miguel Melem ula pentip ba kajing soy yakikot kisla bat penyeso bat ke NPP kan long la syai kesngi ha ke por sau beje janmit. Shushu ula ang ba kajing soy ikot kisla kan long pedeng presiden ke PDF bat national president ke NPP Konrad Sangma. Ha kini kesngi implang sombharu yak kinong yalam jong keseng PDF bat kit khot jong ka sha keseng.
Of course, there were requests from different political parties with regard to this merger. But one thing is that we could see that as a party, we had been working together with the NPP for the last 5 years. We had worked closely all these years. And of course, we had placed this agenda on the minutes of the CEC, whereby we have discussed it thoroughly through a series of discussion that most of the members are politically inclined to the NPP.
Mentapat ni pe ke jinglong jiman ke simnang ha shlong. Ke jing shet kalong up sau point degree Celsius ba ke jing kret kalong kan re point khat sau point rio degree Celsius. Ke jing ngam ka hau kalong nyu po ana kispa ha ka por step ba san pra na kispa ha ka por jan mit. Kala bandan ke jing hap slap ka bam lumala hakikat tu kat ne ki jaka. Saisin pan ni pen kemai pi begini kubor jongi pilaru ban pe live ha ke ju hi ka por ha ke YouTube channel bat ru pila ban pe kubor ba man ka sngi ha ka Facebook Twitter bat Instagram jong ka news shalong. Shwa ban poi sak bukut jong thuk kubor ni pe biang saisin ni kimat bakong san. Isim mentang Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Konrad Kisang Ma bat sembut Menteri Rang Ba ba senyo balang dhar ha ke jing lang pen kuburam ka belong ha klik riat. Pentikna ke menteri ketenar ke koi ke khia ke kong amperin lengdo ba amsyam ladan ke jinglek bakla Hagenes Das Hospital. Lapan bet ben pingria ke samla ke popule Manipur ong Menteri Rang Ba ke jela u Konrad ke Sangma. Badrai ke PDF ban lai punya sok no Syakaseng NPP. Di perlok dah kita kubor ngila pasal kubur jeng tu kubor jengi mentara janmit hadu punya sambiang bat pi la Syakasngi kublai pi barok.
अरे छुटकी ये क्या? पहले पैकेज प्रोडक्ट्स पर लिखी जानकारी तो चेक कर लो।